everyone, my name is Mikey Helms. Today's video we're going to do how to use CoderZ. We're going to work on signing in, and then we're going to just look at how to add a class from CoderZ. So our goal today is to look at CoderZ, how to create a class, how to sign in. Let's look. First thing we're going to do is open a Google Chrome web browser. We're going to type in CoderZ. Now I can walk through this with y'all, and there's multiple ways to do it. And so I'm going to go ahead and open Clever and log in with Clever. Now when I have Clever, this is your student side. They can go through CoderZ that way, and it should bring them right to the home page. If they might have to log in as a student, and then they can get to their actual lessons. And the great part about CoderZ is self-paced, so they can go through, and if they've completed things, it will track them. Now that's through Clever. So if I want to just log in, and you want to be able to, if you're having trouble with Clever, you want to just go through, same thing, type in Google CoderZ and let them log in with their Google credentials, or they can even try to sign in through this way. So as a teacher though, you can sign in with Google and use your teacher credentials, and this brings you to the home page. Now the main thing that you are going to be using are these three: Amazon Cyber Robot Challenge, CoderZ Adventures, and then Code Farm. The other ones are for older grades. And so if you click on here on the tabs over here on the left, you have my classes, my projects, scoreboard, and this will track this kids where they're at. And so I don't have any classes. So if I go over here, I want to add a new class. Now you can import your existing Google Classroom straight into it, and that's the easiest way so far. But a lot of people might not have a Google Classroom, and so we're going to create a class. Just going to type in example, and then I can add CoderZ Adventures. And if you want to add something else, Cyber Robot Challenge, I'm going to add both of those. I'm adding the full courses, and I'm going to hit next. And it's now wanting to invite the students. So this is a code that you can keep in for that class, where they can go in, and if it's going to say join the class, and they can join that way. If you can't just import them, you can add it to them. You can copy the link and send it to them through their email, or you can add, if you have to add one student at a time, if you have a new student, this is a way to add it. And so I would copy class code and then post that in a Google Doc, and have that available, so whenever students want to add themselves, they can. So that is a great way. At the very top left is the home page, and this is going to look different for y'all, but hopefully y'all are just using it. We want kids coding, and this is a self-paced way for kids to be able to code through CoderZ. Hopefully y'all use it, and there's multiple ways to get to it. We just want you using it. Y'all have a great day.